I will show you how I model my 3D printed wearables. If I want to make a hairband or a headphone, I will use this tool. I don't know its name, but I will use this tool. I can use this tool to get the shape of my head or my wrist or other parts of my body. But for my chest, I'm not going to use it because it's too hard. I will use another tool called the flexible ruler. So the radius is about 7.5, and I'm also going to measure the bottom. Remember, this is just purely for science for my project, so. Bottom is about 10.5. It looks pretty good, and now let's try it on. I think it fits perfectly, and I think I'm going to print more colors and see which one I like the most. I tried to put the club tape on my cup, but when I tried it on, it was kind of itchy, and I don't think it was good enough. I think I'm going to swap to the silicone instead. I also 3D printed the other cup and coated it with the silicone. You can see it from here. It looks pretty good because today is the American 4th of July holiday, so I have the blue cup, white cup, and the red strap. I'm going to wear it tonight, and let's see how it goes.
我的自拍啊，这是鹰眼航拍科技的4K 170度广度，有当然有，这样，有没有看？你们看一下，我帮你拍一下。你要涂个口红。没事儿，这个很好的。
跟着拍下去，我们就不好看了，知道吗？
对。
我们太丑了。
那不会。
啊？
能让人家喜欢你吗？
她太漂亮了，美女。来，看我拍一下，你拍一下，过来。
乐乐，跟美女拍一个。他也有一只小萨摩耶。啊，他有一只小萨摩耶吗？啊。因为我做了嘴唇，然后又没化妆。下次我还会来。下次也要跟我来。好啊好啊。没有这个我是视频模式，我可以回去截图。